Hey, what's up guys? If you are looking to earn money 100% free, I'm going to share with you the best way to do that in this video coming up. So before I share with you on how to start earning money 100% free, I'm going to let you know what this channel is all about. In this channel, I talk about how to generate money using passive income techniques, which is related to affiliate marketing. If you want more videos of that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I will be sharing more techniques that you can implement to succeed in earning your own passive income. Without further ado, let's start with today's topic. A lot of people ask on how to earn money with zero investment, nothing except your time, of course. Yes, there's a way, but you will need to be patient about this, and that's affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing have been proven to be working for a lot of people, but you need to spend time on your effort, especially when we talk about investing no money at all, right? So it's either investing your money or your time. By all means, I'm not saying that you don't have to invest at all in the future, but when you get some profit from these techniques, it is always best to invest back to your business. So let's go to the slide, right? So for today, I'll be talking about what is the business model that I'm going to recommend, and then high ticket versus low ticket, and then a recommended platform, and also recommended product for you to start with. So when we talk about the business model here, so obviously for me, the best business model that I can recommend is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing actually? For those who don't know what is affiliate marketing is, in short, is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people or companies' product. So there are tons of companies having affiliate program, such as Amazon, Nike, Adidas, and Bose. So there are more to that. You just need to go to Google and put your company name with affiliate program at the back. So if we are taking Nike as example, we can put Nike affiliate program at the search bar, and you will find their affiliate page easily this way. So there's a lot of company offering this. So the concept is earning percentage of commission, and the commission depends on the company's affiliate program. When you start to take a look at those companies that offer affiliate program, you will need to take a look at whether their product falls under a high ticket or low ticket item. And that brings me to the second topic, which is what is high and low ticket item, and what is my recommendation to you. High and low ticket item simply means high and low commission that you will get from the affiliate program. Let me explain to you about this by starting with an example. For low ticket item, the example that I will explain is for physical items that you promote in Amazon, and the Amazon affiliate program is called Amazon Associate. Whereas for high ticket item, usually you will be promoting software. And why does software product can give us a high commission? It's due to the low overhead cost for the software. Overhead costs are all the expenses you have to pay to keep a business running. When a business has low overhead, that means the cost of running the business are relatively low. Hence, they can afford to give us more commission. This is really the opposite if you're talking about a physical product. Usually for low ticket item, you will get around 4% to 8% one-time commission depending on the product you promote. For one customer, let's say you promote a $100 product, you will get $8 of commission per item. This is if I'm taking on the high side for the low ticket item. That won't be the case for some of the products, as they can go as low as 4% of commission. If you sell 10 items, you will get $80 of commission in total. And to get $300 per month, you will need to sell $3,800 worth of product to 38 customers. Let's take a look at the high ticket item. For this high ticket item example, it can pay us 40% of recurring commission. And not all product can offer us a recurring commission. Just keep that in mind. I will reveal to you on which product is that later. Don't worry about that. For each of the $100 product, you will get $40 of commission and $400 if you sell 10 items. If you want to get $300 per month, you will only need to sell $800 worth of product to 8 customers. Can you see the difference by now? And I'm not even touching on the recurring commission yet, because not all high ticket will have a recurring commission. Imagine with the difference of low and high ticket, you can do a lot. You can pay kids school fees, insurance, home mortgage, and so much more. I hope you can understand on why high ticket item is better. Let's move on to the recommended platform. For those who don't know what platform is in the affiliate marketing term, platform is where you put all your contents that gives value to people. Example of platform can be website, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even forums such as Quora and etc. So for the platform, since we are going for 100% free way of doing things, I would suggest you to go for YouTube, as there is no cost of uploading your content to YouTube. But if you feel that you are not comfortable to be on YouTube, you can still opt to put your content on website. There will definitely a cost to you, but if you can pay around $4 per month to host a WordPress website, I believe you can also try this method. Bear in mind that most of the WordPress hosting will be charging you for at least a 1-year contract, which means for 1 year you will need to pay $4 times 12 months equals to $48 upfront in order to host your WordPress website. If you're willing to pay that, I will also put my Bluehost affiliate link at the description below so that you can get some discount. They might be lowering to less than $4 per month depending on the offer that they currently have. I haven't tell you which product that I will be recommending for you to start with affiliate marketing, right? Which product can give you 40% of recurring commission? Drum roll please. Have you heard of Clickfunnels before? Clickfunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps business to market, sell, and deliver their product online. This tool simplifies online marketing, selling, and delivery of their product and services by providing users with funnel options that are pre-built for a specific business, product, or service. How it simplifies online marketing or selling? By making it so simple to use. The drag and drop features make your life easier, and even business owner with zero experience in programming can come up with their own killer sales page. Furthermore, email marketing features have also been included as part of Clickfunnels, which is very important if you want to do online business or market your product. How cool is that, right? Anyway, with all those features that Clickfunnels has to offer, it makes the product very useful for business owners, and when they find it useful, bring more customers to their business, for sure they will stick with Clickfunnels. In other words, continue with their Clickfunnels subscriptions. I believe one of Clickfunnels' strength is their training to start using Clickfunnels, and it is quite comprehensive, I would say. But even though they give so much value with their Clickfunnels training, they are not charging at all. Can you imagine that? I will put a description below if you want to try Clickfunnels for 14 days to take a look what they can offer. And I will also put some of their training in the description so that you can see how good is their training. I hope I have given some value through this short video, and hopefully by now you get the basic concept of affiliate marketing, high ticket versus low ticket, and also which product you can go for. Please give some comments down below and anything for me to improve, or if you have any question on what I've talked about. Like the video if you think you benefit something from it, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, see ya!